If you need to generate more leads and more sales and make your sales system predictable, I have an amazing resource to share with you. Hi, this is Andrew, the founder of Flowium email marketing agency, as well as this YouTube channel. Into 2021, and actually like every year and more I speak with business owners, there are always two issues. We want more leads, we want more sales, and we want to build some kind of predictable sales machine. And I don't think there's a way to solve this issue. Like you'll just grow to new level, you would like to get more and more and more and more. However, in 2021, I found a great resource which help us not only with the sales, but also with hiring other team members in our company, as well as building some marketing processes. So that resource I would like to talk to you, even if you don't like to read. If you own a business, this is must read. It's by a person who was in charge of sales department at HubSpot, and this is the book. So there's like 4 parts of this book: how to hire, how to train, how to predict your leads, and the 4th one I forgot. But the thing is, as you can see, I have a bunch of bookmarks. We have like a lot of highlights. It's not because I'm like book geek. I like to read. I don't have as much time as I would like to have for reading. However, this is the must-have book. For the last year, I came back to this book over and over and over again. First of all, we created this assessment when we hiring. So when we hiring people, it's not only like on your feel gut, oh, they dressed up great and they spoke up nicely on the interview and I'll hire them. No, there's actually data, and data never lie. So basically we use this assessment for hiring our new team members, and it works like a charm. Like it's amazing. So I cannot recommend you more. Like either you hiring salesperson, either you hire somebody else on your team, use this assessment. And even if you do not hire as much, I strongly recommend to use this assessment. Why? Even if you hire once a year or once for 2 years, you will have data, and when you hire next person, you know what to look for. Another thing, recently we were revising our sales commissions and all commissions structure, and this book helped us as well, because it gave us a great framework explaining, depends on like where you are in your business, your sales commission structure might change. And this, thanks to this book. By the way, I'm not affiliated with this book. Like I don't know this guy. I wish I know him, but I highly recommend for you to use this book in your business. Also in this book, they spoke a lot about the training. However, we have a pretty good training system in our company, so it was not as helpful for us. But the last part was about generating leads, generating demand, like wanting your business, and it's all built on content marketing. So also, like if you do not have that lever yet in your business, content marketing, I strongly recommend to read and implement it. If you have any questions about this book or anything, any processes in our company, please leave them below under this video. Also, if you believe there's another book that you would like me to read, I would be thankful for you to recommend it to me. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye.